Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on my garden. Now it's the end of October and a lot of my flowers are done blooming. But I do have a few David Austin roses and I also have some begonias that are still blooming. So I'm just going to walk around my garden and I'm going to show you the flowers that are still blooming. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to subscribe. So as I have mentioned, I still have begonias that are blooming. This is my cream colored begonia. These flowers are just amazing. I keep them in the greenhouse and it does get pretty cold at night now in the 40s. But these guys are still blooming so well. Beautiful. Here's another begonia, and this one is almost like a salmon color. It's beautiful. And here are some more pink begonias that are blooming. Here's a double one right there. I do have this pink colored begonia right here that is still blooming. So beautiful. And then next to my begonia is a carding mill. This is one of the David Austin rose that I have, and it's got a couple of flowers on it. Here's the other one. These are just so gorgeous. The colors are so beautiful. So this is my other David Austin rose. This is the Queen of Sweden. It's got a few blooms on here. This rose right here is a week's rose, and this is called Life of the Party, and it does have this different shades. And it's very fragrant. It's amazing that it's still blooming. This one is called Gemini. It's got several blooms. Such a pretty color. Look at that. Beautiful. This is a Million Bell that I have planted in a pot. It's come back and it's blooming again. It's like purple right there and some pink ones right here. And I also have this beautiful petunia right here. Most of my petunias are gone, but this one here is still blooming. Beautiful color. So this is a verbena, and I have this outdoors, and I'm kind of amazed that even though we're getting down to the low 40s at night, this is still blooming. Look at this beautiful pattern right here. Just beautiful. So this is my other verbena. You saw my purple one. This one's the orange one. It just keeps on blooming here. It's got a lot of flowers still. So most of my dahlias are finished blooming. I do have this one dahlia that is still blooming right here, the purple one. And next to it are some straw flowers. I planted this late in the season and it is blooming. Now these flowers make very good dry flowers, so they last a long time. Here's another one, a yellow one. Well, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it right here next to my red begonia. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.